virus first jumped from animals to humans. These are places all over Asia, but particularly China, where wild animals are slaughtered on site and sold for food.
Grilled pangolin, steamed pangolin, stewed pangolin.
Only Mother Nature can. No, nature fights back to save its young.
I think this is Mother Nature's revenge. Mother Nature's revenge.
Nature's fighting back for all the things we've done. Mother Nature's way of defending itself from harm, from what we've done. From what we've done, nature's fighting back from all the harm we've done. But our enemy is the smallest of all things. It can destroy the world and still remain unseen. Where can we hide? Where can we run? The smallest of all things is more powerful than man. Oh Lord, forgive us for all the harm we've done. Will man survive this? We're running out of time. Oh Lord, forgive us. Lord, send another flood. Give us another chance.
Today, the greatest risk of global catastrophe doesn't look like this. Instead, it looks like this. If anything kills over 10 million people in the next few decades, it's most likely to be a highly infectious virus rather than a war. Not missiles, but microbes.
Professor Gabriel Leung believes 60% of the world's population could become infected with the virus, and that as many as 45 million of us might be killed by it.
We're not ready for the next epidemic.
Italy has reported the highest one-day death toll from coronavirus than any other country. Officials said nearly 500 people died on Wednesday.
This is the worst public health crisis for a generation.
Europe has now become the epicenter of the pandemic.
Land, domestic air and domestic sea travel to and from Metro Manila shall be suspended beginning March 15, 2020.
Where can we hide? Where can we run? The smallest of all things is more powerful than man.
Possibly the greatest pandemic the world has ever seen.
Humans are no match for Mother Nature's wrath. Millions more will die as we have crossed its path. Who will be saved? Who will be saved? survive this pandemic, pray that we learn from it. Always remember and don't forget. For the next time we abuse and rape Mother Nature, it will no longer forgive. A pandemic will strike once more and kill us all. We have been warned.